In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background in Gemini AI with just a few simple steps. Whether you're a graphic designer, a content creator, or someone just looking to enhance their digital images, this guide will walk you through the process with clarity and ease. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Google. If you're not already on the home page, type in Google in your search bar and hit enter. Once there, in the search box, type Google Gemini and press enter to initiate the search. The search results should list the official Gemini AI website at the top. Click on this link to take you to the Gemini AI homepage. After arriving at the Gemini AI site, focus your attention on the interface where you'll see various tools and options. Look for the plus sign icon, which allows you to upload an image. When you click on this icon, you'll be prompted to select the photo you want to edit from your device. This could be a portrait photo, a product image, or any other picture where you need the background removed. Once your image has been uploaded, the next step is perhaps the most crucial part of this process: creating a precise and effective prompt. The key here is to be clear and specific about your requirements. A suggested prompt could be, please precisely remove the background of this image, preserving fine hair strands, facial features, expressions, skin texture, sharp edges on clothing and accessories, and natural lighting and shadows. Deliver a clean cutout with a white background suitable for compositing with studio-quality results. This prompt helps ensure that Gemini AI understands exactly what you're looking for, preserving important details while eliminating the unwanted background. Now, with your prompt crafted and ready, simply click on the Submit button. Gemini AI will now process your image based on the instructions you've provided. Give it a moment to work its magic. Depending on the complexity of the image and the speed of your internet connection, this could take a few seconds. Once the processing is complete, you'll have a beautifully edited image with the background removed, ready for you to download and use as you wish. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to remove backgrounds in Gemini AI, perfect for creating professional-looking images for any project. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different prompts to achieve the best results for your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.